So, excuse my look. I literally just thought of this video idea and I was like, you know what? I need to actually do this. So why not create a video out of it? Basically, what's the time? It's 6:25. Wow, I look like somebody beat me up. Today we're gonna do a spring cleaning video. My room's an actual mess and I want to go through my clothes in my closet and like sort stuff out and see what I want and what I don't want, because I have a lot of stuff in there that I just like haven't worn in like over a year or two, or like a few months honestly, and I just want to get rid of it so I have room for more clothes since I shop a lot online. And yeah, also speaking of online, I shop a lot on Dote. You should check it out and follow me on Dote. I'll put a link down below and I also have my name on here. Follow me and see all the cute stuff because there'll be giveaways. So yeah, I hope you guys like this video. Be sure to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe down below if you're new here, and let's get on with this spring cleaning. Let me show you how my room looks right now. It's actually tragic. Like, I don't know what's going on, but it's happening. So let me show you. So walk in, you see all this junk on the floor. My bed, my table, I have like clothes literally everywhere. Like, it's just disgusting. This closet, it just doesn't look good. And I put my side table in here because I have no room, so it just looks bad. That's just gonna stay there. I don't really care, but we have so much that we just have to get rid of, and I'm gonna do a little spring cleaning for you guys. So let's clean the room and then we'll get into the closet. Time lapse. Basically now it's like kind of sunset, so I don't know if I'll finish this up, but I'm cleaning out my closet. I have just like clothes on the floor kinda, and like just things that have to go back into place, so I feel like it'll be fine. But I'm gonna be cleaning out all that stuff and then I'm gonna organize my clothes, which I'll show you in depth. But I just did my desk. I have to like kind of add more things, so I have this shelf that I have to put on the wall that I still haven't done. It's been like 3 months since I did that room transformation video, but yeah. And then we have to clean and sanitize the area with like wipes and all that. So I think we'll probably do that tomorrow since it's almost sunset. It's 7:45, so yeah. I already have like a bunch of jeans that I'm giving away, so probably give it to like Plato's Closet or something. I don't know, but yeah. Okay, there's like a little bit more battery, but like I just like cleared out my closet and put like things on hangers. I'm doing the top now, and I've let me show you my view. Literally, it's like a mess. Like there's things everywhere, and I don't know how I'm gonna finish this in time. Oh my god, my battery's about to die. Okay, I'm probably gonna like start this tomorrow if my battery dies. So we'll just resume tomorrow. I'll probably clean up a little bit, but see you guys tomorrow because my battery is literally flashing. This is all trash. I don't need anything in here except that bag, but like that's all trash. Like wow, all that came out of my room. And yeah, and those are like dirty clothes, and then I have to fix over that. Then I have just some stuff on my bed, and yeah, I think those are the clothes I have to give away. Some lights. I think my closet's fine. Then I hung some Polaroids to fill up the space, and we just have little knickknacks. In the morning I will vacuum my room, and then I will like clean my mirror and all the other, you know, cleanings. Guys, it is the next morning. I just woke up kind of maybe a few hours ago actually. While I was awake, I wanted some coffee. I just spent too much money on coffee, so I'm like begging my mom for a Keurig because we don't have that, but I really want one. But I found a freaking coffee machine in my closet over there, so that's what I've been doing. I've been trying to make this coffee machine, but while I was doing that, I created an even more big of a mess. So hey, love that. Okay, so let me show you some changes I did in my room. It's kind of cute, kind of something. So, on my side table, I had like a bunch of junk. Moved it and put this cute thing that was on my desk over here. A plant, this little like candle thing, some jewelry, and then like ether, which is like an Arab smell. I don't really know how to describe it. I just have a mason jar for some reason, but that's probably gonna go up on my shelf, which I'm finally putting on that wall since it's so bland. But I just need to get the screws and do that. Okay guys, after a lot of work, and I think my grandma started freaking out, but the shelf is finally on. I didn't feel like doing the bottom ones or up here, but it's whatever. I just did a few of them. Anyways, I'm just gonna add some little knickknacks on there, make my room a little bit presentable. I think we're done. Honestly, yeah. That's pretty much it, and I'll show you the final reveal. Okay, here's the full reveal of my room. And yeah, that's just so random. I just have to like fix that, add some green leaves that fall, make it look nice, but it's whatever. I finally got it up at least. That's all that matters. But yeah, I vacuumed my room, nice and clean, and hung those Polaroids up. I'm gonna make some more because I actually DIY'd all of these. So if you want to watch that video, hit the little eye right over here and you can watch it. It's really cool. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I have my laptop here, some stuff, organize my drawers. I have some glasses, camera stuff, like tech things here, my makeup, I don't know, random things basically. My mirror. I have this huge pillow for some reason because I don't have the other pillows. Somebody took them. And then my side table. I just put my bag there, but everything is clean and nice and organized. And oh god, let's not open that. But yeah, everything's nice and I like it. So I think that's pretty much it for this video. If you guys liked it, please give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe down below if you're new here, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
That's facts. Big blue bills in the bank, let's chat. I just hit a mill like a baseball bat. I just brought 100,000 out the glad pack. big deal like my name, all caps. That's facts.